The customer brought their car in, explaining that the check engine light was on. To identify the issue, I connected a scan tool and found 3 trouble codes: P0172, System 2 Rich, Bank 1, P2096, Post-Catalyst Fuel Trim System 2 Lean, Bank 1, and P2196, O2 Sensor Signal Biased Stuck Rich, Bank 1 Sensor 1. These codes indicated a potential problem with the oxygen sensor and fuel mixture control. I monitored live data using the scan tool while the engine was running off idle. The oxygen sensor, B1LS1, signal remained stuck in a rich condition, meaning it consistently indicated an overly rich fuel mixture even when conditions should have caused it to adjust. This suggested that the sensor might not be functioning correctly. I performed a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor, B1S1, wiring harness to check for damage or loose connections, but everything appeared intact. To eliminate other possible causes, I used pinch pliers to block the EVAP purge and PCV lines, which can sometimes introduce unmetered air or fuel vapors. However, the oxygen sensor's signal did not change, narrowing the issue further. At idle, I tested the sensor by disconnecting a vacuum hose from the intake manifold, creating a lean fuel mixture. A functioning sensor would detect this change and adjust its signal accordingly, but the oxygen sensor B1IS1 signal remained fixed. This confirmed that the sensor was not responding and was faulty. To resolve the issue, I replaced the oxygen sensor B1IS1. After replacing it, I cleared the codes and performed a road test to confirm the repair. The oxygen sensor responded correctly to changes in the air-fuel mixture, and the check engine light did not return. The vehicle operated smoothly, with no further fault codes. Replacing the faulty oxygen sensor was essential because it ensures the engine maintains the correct air-fuel ratio. A malfunctioning sensor can lead to poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and higher emissions. This repair restored proper functionality and prevented potential damage to other components like the catalytic converter.